So guys, let's begin. So I'm taking in a pan here. Okay, I'm not switching on the flame, I'm just adding in the ingredients. First, I'm adding in some oil, some peppercorns, some cumin seeds, some cinnamon sticks, some cloves, desiccated coconut powder, coriander seeds, red chili powder. Now I switch on the flame to low. I'm adding in some more oil. I'm going to saute all this together, mix in well for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in chopped onions, sauteing this for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. You can add in some oil if you feel it's getting too dry, but not too much oil, okay? So after 7 minutes, we are going to add in the tomatoes, okay? But before that, I'm adding in some salt, which helps the onions to cook faster. Now after 7 minutes, as I said, we'll add in tomatoes and add in some more oil if you want. And let us cook this till the tomatoes are cooked well. For that, I'm adding in some turmeric powder and cover and simmer till the tomatoes are cooked well. So now we can see that the tomatoes are cooked well. Switch off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. Now we are going to take a blending jar, adding in some fresh garlic cloves, also adding in some garlic paste, I'm also adding in some ginger, chopped ginger, a bunch of coriander leaves, and the cool down mixture, okay? To this I'm adding in about 1 cup of water, and blending all of this together into a fine paste. To this consistency. Now in a big bottom vessel, I'm adding in some oil, keeping the flame as low medium. Now I'm going to add in the half kg of washed curry cut chicken pieces, and I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes. Keep the flame as high here. Cover it and allow this to cook for 2 minutes on high for 2 minutes, okay? Don't worry, the chicken won't stick to the bottom because the chicken releases its own juices, which helps it to stay moist, okay? After 2 minutes, pick up the lid, just saute it once, add in some salt, mix in well, and again cover and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay? Keep stirring in intervals, do not forget to do that. So about after 12 minutes of just the chicken cooking in its own juices in oil, Now we lift up the lid, saute it once, and add in the grinded paste and a bit of water. Mix all this well together. And now we're going to cover and simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, after 20 minutes, your yummy Koli Saaru is ready. You can have it with mudde or even dosa or even rice. So it's yummy, authentic recipe. Please go and try this and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. And guys, hope you're taking care of yourself and your loved ones, and I will see you all next time. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all next time in my other videos. Until then, take care guys, bye.